Sanskrit World. Learn Sanskrit through English. Easy Sanskrit lessons by Kuldip Dhiman. Lesson-1. Greeting people. When you meet someone, you could greet them by saying Namo, namah. Namo, namah. It means salutations. Please note, the H in namah is a soft H. Namah. Namo, namah. You could also greet people by saying Namaste. I bow to you. Namaste. Please note, the T in Namaste is a soft T. We do not have soft T in English. It sounds similar to the French word hôtel. The T in hôtel. So you pronounce Namaste. I bow to you. If it's morning time, you could greet people by saying Suprabhatam. It means good morning. Su means good. Prabhatam means morning. Suprabhatam. Here again, the T is a soft one. Suprabhatam. Thanking people. To thank someone, you could say Dhanyavadah. Dhanyavadah. Again, the H is a soft one. Dhanyavadah. Dhanyavadah for listening to this presentation.